Hola a todas y a todos. Hi everyone and welcome to la clase de español. Today's lesson is ¿Dónde quedamos? ¿Dónde quedamos? Which means where are we meeting? So today you will learn prepositions in Spanish and how to meet someone in a specific place in Spanish. ¿Estáis preparadas y preparados? Are you ready? Vamos. So first, let's try to learn some prepositions. So we are going to be using Hedwig to work on prepositions. So, ¿dónde está Hedwig? Where is Hedwig? Está en Hogwarts. Está en Hogwarts. So, en means inside. En. Está en Hogwarts. So that's our first preposition, en. En. ¿Dónde está Hedwig? Está al lado de la bolera. Al lado de la bolera. Perfecto. So, al lado de means next to. And we are adding now places in the city that we learned the previous week. So, al lado de means next to. Está al lado de la bolera. ¿Dónde está Hedwig? Está detrás de él, which makes del museo. Está detrás del museo. It is behind the museum. Behind. ¿Dónde está Hedwig? Está delante de él, which makes del museo. Está delante del museo. Perfecto. In front of the museum. ¿Dónde está Hedwig? Está enfrente de plus el, which makes del museo. Está enfrente del museo. Perfecto. And I want you to notice that most of them, apart from en, this one, need either la or el after it. So if we use la, we keep that de. Está al lado de la bolera. So when the noun that we are using is feminine, we add la plus the place. La bolera, la cafetería. But we need to be careful because when we are using a masculine place, such as museo, we can't say de él. We need to put that together, forming del. Okay? Detrás del museo, delante del museo, enfrente del museo. So let's recap these prepositions. Delante de, in front of, detrás de, behind, enfrente de, opposite, al lado de, next to, and en, which means inside or in. So now that we know the prepositions, we can try to meet somebody in a specific place within the city. So we are trying to answer this question. ¿Dónde quedamos? Where do we meet? ¿Dónde quedamos? So to answer this question, we started with quedamos, we meet, and then we will use these prepositions that we've been learning. Al lado de, delante de, detrás de, or enfrente de. we have also en, which works a bit differently. So if we are using the first ones, we need to decide whether the word is feminine or masculine. So the first ones are feminine, so we use de la with them. With the masculine ones, we use del. Por ejemplo, al lado de la bolera or al lado del museo. En is a bit different and it's easier because you use en la plus the feminine place or en el plus masculine place. Okay, so ¿dónde quedamos? Where do we meet? Let's try to answer this question by saying in Spanish, we meet in front of the park. I'll give you a few seconds and then we can do it together. We meet in front of the park. So we need quedamos. We meet is quedamos in front of. So in front of is delante. And then park is parque. Therefore, we need to use del. Quedamos delante del parque. Quedamos delante del parque. Have a go at this one while I find the spotlight. We meet next to the shopping mall. So we meet, quedamos, next to, al lado. And now shopping mall is centro comercial. We need to use del. Therefore, quedamos al lado del centro comercial. Quedamos al lado del centro comercial. Last one, we meet behind the museum. We meet behind the museum. So again, quedamos. Behind is detrás. And now museo is masculine, therefore we need to use del. So, quedamos detrás del museo. I am going to leave some exercises and also this sentence builder so you can memorize both the prepositions and the places in the city. So you can arrange a meetup with somebody in Spanish. I hope you found this lesson useful. I will see you very soon. Adiós. Cuidaos.